Cough syrups may sound harmless, but do you know what's really inside that sweet bottle? Some contain strong sedatives, others have alcohol or even codeine, which can be addictive. For dry cough, you need suppressants. For wet cough, you need expectorants to loosen mucus. But don't mix too many ingredients, especially if you're giving it to kids. And that sleepy feeling after a dose, it's not always a good thing. Always check the label and never use cough syrups casually. They're more powerful than you think.